wan sugi ne ke wan ma singsa hai mani kotok hai bongja ko ang tamni geseng khoroksa tai khoroksa no bisi Kwtal ni hamjak ma chi ba ya farlai tongo happy new year ni tonglayo thanayo seng tring go bochini tipra sarong ni bisi Kwtal bo pale lekya aboni yaklo tabuk internationally je mani jakmani aboni bisi Kwtal bo tini 1 tarik sokpaikya an wan suma ka tam no tei seng happy tam no tei seng tongthogui tong जों लायो happy new year जों लायो Tongthok लायो फारि Bisi Kwtal बा tam no tei जों Tongthok dong संसारा नायनाय ji joba kaisa por kaisa joba tos thakplaya borok bai borok butharlai tongo thanayo se Dehradun digi जों nugo khoroksa Tripura ni borok bui butharjakmani jati no tei nyai so tabuk bo jati rong no tei dormo rong no tei nyai ha seglai rang puisa no tei bulai toklai walai suglai borok bial bipoto klaijak baksaba kulum kesangjak baksaba tomung sidrao kelegjak langmao khaksangma sikrei sengsar gonanggi nyai nyai sasarara nangjak asari nangjak borok mase manung yang nai rok tongui tongo borok gonang khaba gonang ngui tongo korei khaba korei bigras taibo bigra ngui tongo tamno tei seng tongthogui tong ang waisusu huana uta mane Holadi gibi nainai di bahan buthiyo bo nainai di rang puisa bo nainai di pojai poddi giti nainai di besirbag borok no khaksang masi gri langmao haipano Bisi Kwtal phaibrum brum seng honlayo happy new year Bisi Kwtal phaibrum brum seng honlayo Tongthok sal phaiteng ni bo phai in fact one sugi nyai di sal Kwtal phaikyang ke ni langma se barai phayu nin thainyani sal se gan ar kung phayu अब kaisa time bomb haise jora phaikang ke phati thanai a bomb nung thinyai hingga hangke sini boyos bari tongo jora se komi tongo hingga hangke tamno tei sing tongthogui tong maybe bororok asamung ba khatungmung abono hope no yakarya abono le nango sing khatungui tong na nango asawi tong na nango hake se sing kathang tongo haipano tumung no chini asamung belai lai thangke over confident thangke sing onek somay chini deramung chini koromung rong sing nugyang itong mano chin tipra sarong ni bagi to taibo kha khamjangnai kwbangma karon tongo chini hani condition nainai di sing buibai check legjagui tongo buibai munui jagui tongo bengai jagui tongo mungsa khaksangma korei chin thani problem mangsa klaijak chini borok bebak jagao se जों kelegjak thungjak buibai bengai jagui tongo tamno tui sing tongthoklai tong ang le wanao chini bagi kuno tongthokjangnai sikri khena ni ang ma hano haipano no jotono no hai Bisi Kwtal ni chibai tai hamjongma yaforo o bisio kahamung thung nei ang kaiton thani suru jotoni bagi hambai you know it's funny that we all are wishing one another happy new year but I was wondering what are we happy about I mean look at the world the Russia-Ukraine war is not stopped. Gaza-Israel war is not stopped. There is so much poverty, bankruptcy. People are still suffering spiritually, physically, mentally. There is so much of racial discriminations, religious clashes, and just recently, we saw a man murdered in the northern part of India due to a racial discrimination. And we see all these things happening, and we see how the terrorists are becoming more and more bold. They're becoming bolder. They're coming out on the streets, as we saw in Bangladesh. And so many things happening. I mean, and also with the passing New Year, as we enter into New Year, and the next day, isn't it true that it is like a ticking bomb? I mean, we are just heading towards our day of death. We are just heading towards our day of end. The journey on this world is going to end very soon. I mean, we are only getting older. So, should we be happy? I mean, I felt that, this morning, this is something I was thinking about. And what is that we are achieving? And is the new year going to be different for us? Is it going to be better? I mean, last year, whatever failures you had, whatever failures in terms of life, spiritually, physically, mentally, family wise, are you going to make them all right this new year? Are you going to do something different? What is that different is going to happen that will, make you happy? So anyway, I guess, we are all hoping for a better future, and hope is a powerful thing. We need to keep hoping, because the moment we lose hope, then there's a chance that we will die. But again, we cannot be presumptuous, we cannot be overconfident. We have to walk with our demons, the demons in our hearts, demons in our lives, and we have to work for a better future. Once again, Happy New Year, dear friends. Thank you.